Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to today's tutorial in which we are going to learn how to draw a girl from the back. Easy step by step drawing. This step by step drawing guide is perfect for beginners. So grab your pencil and paper and let's get started. Start by drawing an oval shape for the head. Since we are drawing the girl from the back, this oval will represent the top of our head. Next, draw two short, slightly curved lines down from the bottom of the oval to form the neck. After that, add two sloping lines coming from the neck of her shoulder. Remember to make these lines gentle and not too sharp. Now, from the shoulder, draw two curved lines that taper downward to form the outline of the girl's back. To form the outline of the girl's back and waist. This gives the shape of upper body. Let's move to the hair. Draw long wavy lines cascading down from the top of the head. You can make the hair as long you want, adding waves or curls to make it look natural. Draw two arms by sketching lines from the shoulder down, slightly curving them at the elbow. You can either draw the arms resting by the side or bent slightly backward as if she is holding something behind her. Now let's add a simple outfit. Draw lines from the waist to create the dress, shirt or any outfit you can want your girl to wear. You can keep the design basic or add details like folds or patterns. Finally, refine the drawing by adding any extra details like shading for the hair, crease in the outfit, or even accessories like hat or bow. And there you have it, a simple step by step guide on how to draw a girl from the back. Don't forget to add your personal touch to the drawing and have fun experimenting with different hairstyles or outfit. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and happy drawing.